Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, T-Sheet. My dear students of class 10, today I am going to take your English second paper class, and our today's topic is articles. So we all know about articles. We are reading about articles from class 1. So it's very common to us. Let's have a review today. So this is our lecture number 2, and their homework number is 2 also, and there is the homework. So you will do 6 sentences as your homework. So we will read those later. So let's start our class. So articles, we all know about that, and there are 2 types of articles, right? So our today's topic is articles, and we all know that there are 2 types of articles. And what are they? Yes, indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite, and another one is definite. And we all know that a and an are called what? Indefinite article, and the is the definite article, right? So now look, when you will use indefinite article, that means when we refer to something or someone unspecified thing or people, we will use a or n, right? And when we refer to something specified, when we refer to some specified thing, we use the. And now we can ask when we will use a or n. We all know that there are 5 vowels in our English, right? 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, and u. So we use n before these vowel sounds. We use n before these vowel sounds, and rest of the letters are consonant. We use a before consonant sound. We all know about it, but there are some exceptional rules, like when there is a silent h, like our or honest, what will be there? Yes, there will be n, because here h is silent. Like when we use when the pronunciation of the word starts with u, like university or uniform, so it will be what? We will use what? We will use a here instead of n, though u is the vowel sound, right? So we all know about those exceptional rules, and when we use a, we all know that when there is something, a specific thing or people, we will use we will use a or n according to the vowel sound. And there are some exceptional, like if there's the silent h, we will use n, though h is the consonant, and we use a in front of the vowel u when you pronounce like u. Okay, when not you, actually, when the vowel sound pronounced like you, like European, E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N, European, we will also use here a. So when you will find the pronunciation like you will write here a. You will use the article a here instead of n, though u and e are what? Vowel sounds. So we all know about it, right? Yes, we all know about this one. And we do not use article in the in front of the proper noun, but when we compare something, when we compare the same person or the with the same category, we will use we will use article like Nozrul. Now look, Okay, now listen, not Nazrul, okay. I see you are dash Nazrul. That means we are comparing this person with Nazrul. So here will be an article, that means I see you are Nazrul. Like now look, Nazrul starts with the consonant sound N, so there there will be A. So I see you are a Nazrul, like this. Okay, so we all know about it. Now we will go to the definite article, that means the. When we will use the, and I have told you when we refer to specified things or people, we will use here the, right? We all know about it. And when we are going to talk about the newspaper or the holy book, or when there is something specific or some abstract material, which compared to the common noun, we can use here the. Okay, and we also use the in front of the proper noun. Now look, if I say Nazrul is the Shelley of Bangladesh. Now look, both of them are poet. So we compare Nazrul to Shelley. So here we will use here the article the. Okay, dear students. Now look, if if you find the name of the we also use the in front of the president or prime minister, or in front of the sun, in front of the moon. Okay, and we also use the in front of what I told you, that means newspaper, or if there's something special date like 26th March. So it's a special it will be March, 26th March. So we will write here the 26th March. So we use the in front of the date. So we all know about it, right? So today is the review of article, and we also use when we try to show comparison between two things. When you try to show the expression of comparison between two adjectives, you can use the, like Ruby is better of the two girls. Now look, here is the comparison between two girls, and this is adjective. So we can use here the, and we all know that in front of the superlative degree we always use the, like he is the tallest boy in the class, right? Just like it, we use the and we always use the before the name of river, then ocean, or what mountains or mountain range, like the Himalayas or the Pacific. Okay, and you can also use the in front of the ordinal. Now look, number, like Edward the 7th. If you write Edward the 7th, okay, we use what, the in front of the ordinal number, like Edward the 7th. When it is written, when we indicate some person, when it is written in what? Written by letters. We will use here the in front of this ordinal number. Otherwise, if you write it in digit, we will not use the. Okay. And if you indicate the nation, you will use the. Like, if you indicate nation, okay, not language. If you indicate nation like the English, you will use what? The. Okay. Or any race like the poor or the rich, like this, the brave. Okay. That means when you generalize the common noun, you will use the in front of them. So these are the common rules, we all know about it. So dear students, although we will go through the rules of the articles, because we need those rules of articles in our language, that's why we have a review today. So you will do your homework. This is homework number 2. Number 1, do you know who invented dash computer? Number 2, the car sped past at 100 miles dash hour. Number 3, what's dash capital of your country? Number 4, dash modern life is stressful. Number 5, I see you are dash Wordsworth. Number 8, he is dash FRCS. So dear students, all of you will do this 6 sentence. That means you will put here articles. Okay, you will put articles here. All of you will put here the articles. You will put articles here. Okay, put articles. This is your homework as homework 2, and if you don't need articles, you will give here a cross. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework and submit it on Saturday. See you again. Allah Hafiz.